Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
One of the things that I'm sure is common between you and me is that we totally despise bad odor, isn't it? Hi, it's me Hesha, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my tips, tricks and hacks that I use that help me make my perfume fragrance last longer. Because you know what? We all love it when we smell good. So if you guys want to know how you can make your perfume last longer, keep on watching. Alright, so one of the most commonly heard and known hacks is that spraying your perfume right after you're done taking a shower. Now come on guys, I'm sure you all know that this hack is definitely worthy to give it a shot, because when you spray your perfume immediately after your shower, it kinda like absorbs into your skin and it lasts longer. So make sure that you do that. And other than that, if you're outside your shower and if you're looking at spraying the perfumes, I'm going to tell you what are the right places to spray your perfumes. Which is, you need to be spraying your perfumes at your pulse points just so as your fragrance lasts longer. Now, if you're wondering what exactly are pulse points, let me show you. So by pulse points, I mean that you need to spray your perfume at the back of your ear, because it says that your fragrance actually lasts longer, because these are the warmer parts of our body. So it stays there and then it kind of just goes and spreads away. So that's one of the parts where you should definitely be spraying your perfume. Another part that you should be spraying your perfume is at the back of your wrist. But make sure that you don't rub it, you just like spray it and then you like kind of dab it over. And last but not the least, you can also spray your perfumes right here, which is beneath your arm or at the back of your elbow. And just in case if you have that extra time and you want to go OTT, you can always spray it at the back of your knee too, and you can thank me later. Another thing that you could do to make your fragrance last longer is use a non-scented moisturizer on your body before you actually go ahead and spray your perfume. So what you need to do is rub a little bit of your moisturizer all over your body, maybe your hands, on the back of your neck, or even a little bit on the back of your ear. You can also switch it with Vaseline if you don't have like a non-scented moisturizer, and then spray your perfume. That's gonna actually make sure that your perfume lasts longer, because the moisturizer will absorb the fragrance of the perfume and keep you smelly and nice all day long. Did you know you can also customize your own fragrance? I know that sounds a little weird, but you know what? This is actually super helpful, because not just you're gonna have your own customized fragrance that kind of personifies you, but this is also going to help your fragrance last longer. Now, if you're wondering what I'm talking about, I'm actually talking about layering and mixing your perfumes. Now, I'm sure we girls tend to have more than one perfume in our kitty. So if you want to make your fragrance last longer, and if you're looking at for making that one customized fragrance, all you can do is probably mix 2 to 3 perfumes that you have and make your own fragrance. Like that, you have your own custom fragrance, and simultaneously, it's gonna last longer as well. Now, I'm sure you guys are going to agree with me if I say that it would be a lot more easier for you to carry cotton swabs instead of an entire perfume bottle. Now, if you're wondering what's wrong with Hesha and why is she asking us to carry cotton swabs, then here's a little hack for you. Now, instead of carrying mini perfume bottles or probably your entire perfume bottle, all you could do is actually take a cotton swab and spray some perfume onto it and simply store them in a Ziploc bag. Just like so. Now what this is going to help you do is that you can use this as instant touch-up throughout the day, and your bag's going to be easy and light. So even for your tiny clutches in your pouch, this hack is super good to go. I'm sure, just like me, there might be many of my friends out there too watching this video who'd agree with me if I said that just like my body, I also prefer that my hair's smelling good at all points. Now, a little hack to make sure that you and your hair are in sync when you're smelling good is that you can actually spray your perfume on your hair too. But before you go ahead and do that, please make sure that your perfume is non-alcoholic or it's alcohol-free, because we don't want our hair to get damaged, and any kind of alcohol does damage the hair. So opt for a perfume that's alcohol-free, or alternatively, you could also use hair perfumes that are specifically meant for your hair. Spray a little bit on your brush, just like so, and then go over your hair, and you are gonna have awesome smelling hair too. So guys, these were my tips, tricks and hacks that I use on almost everyday basis to make my perfume last longer. In case you guys found a favorite in these hacks, do comment below and let me know. By any chance, if you've tried these hacks earlier, which I kind of feel y'all must have, definitely comment below and let me know. And do the usual, which is if you like this video, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Pinkvilla. See you next time. Bye.